your party no be no bet me power man or the arena power. Into the bad nut, yes, okay, can almost say party be a hand there. No, you don't use a bad nut to spoil the majority of the nut or a papa. 2020.
Party yeah, don't for. Yeah,
like you understand, doctor? Sekunga, is a party near the amao, party no upon, okasem point bepun, okaso there. Dame interior committee abeda in the sanka nkofo ben doctor no anka we advice no the letter but say na na de ma ya strip it. In the na na de ba ya strip it.
So
na mo high and ade. Yeah, then be. Mekuruka me campaign mekuruka ono ano ba 2028 nti wo watakwa hwaye ma obunya opportunity ana waye anya ono anka yenya kwan ya ti say da esene moto waka dey highway 406 Toronto.
That's it. That's clear. Ebusion for asema ye kano simple as sister Afia kano me I support JFK, right? But it cannot ultimately change say in we elections if there's any decision to be taken then he takes Debbie. He cannot do that because the earlier the better. Say he does not identify with the MPP. Anytime or refer to MPP Biano as a MPP a third party Bimano on count.
I don't know why they are begging him. I don't know why they are begging him. I don't know why. It's like I don't know. I mean, say any war NPP mune Kennedy the omofan command. Nenka PP. If Kennedy is the owner of the letter N in the NPP, they should give him the N. So that it will be left with PP. Because we're not going anywhere with this bitch ass nigga. And he's a bitch ass nigga. Or it takes only a bitch ass nigga. And a baby a wedidino. Or sorry so many years ago. Now can they do what about them chain wine? What about them moi? What about them chain wine? Kennedy. Me, I'm the refined version of your madness. And we will take you to the gutters. Obiama Kwama distracting NPP over your mad brain, you mad boy. And but I'm saying, no, now we are the mayor, and we are the mayor, and we are the mayor. Wobaya. Do you feed anybody? How can Kennedy be so disrespectful to say, me, Timini Atta Akya, and platform? So who the fuck are you, Kennedy? Who the fuck? Only Atta Akya and one credibility. Why the
Obisa said, what right does Chairman Sabusu have to talk about Kumasi Koena?
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Can you imagine? Meanwhile, you search on your useless TV. Sign a stupid station. And boldly says, Ashanti region. Omoya yeah, can say party in power. Yeah, fan for Ashanti region. You stupidly said, wouldn't to me that's what I'm yes,
appointment.
What's here?
Officer na or can the partner on him or prepared in Fiasia. Intimo omni wouldn't meet us.
Now, what's your penny?
Nipa moyes or mamma yeshi.
What's your penny now? Would me make your appointment? I will party no. Sa party no. Effort here. Why do you go blaming on Kamemame? Stupid idiots. And then put down forward meaning quite. You claim you were part of the people that made appointments. So the people you sent there, they didn't perform. And you are coming to tell who? Motherfucker. Who know na sakosano? Confirm who no. We didn't make appointments. If the people there were criminals, guess who took them there? You start on TV and say someone want to mean the appointment, no? And it's a mona modia kron for a command and adwa. Why are you complaining? Why are you complaining about the outcome of your appointments? It takes a fool to listen to these idiots. May say Kennedy saw $30 billion. He got it from the NPP. So he might as well shut his trap. NPP na man ye. Obi anyone will treat Uber. Kroma, ebe billionaire. NPP, and a man ye. NPP for ya crown for Kennedy we a crown for. You were begging to lead criminals. That makes you one. You should leave us alone. It's too much.
Criminals. Yo, me that's in stage here.
I do me so
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye. I'll get in touch, Steph. Thank you so much.
Bye.
All right, Uncle David.
Edu mi so.
Yeah.
Edu mi so. Nia, me kasa nche. I would like say we program no. Beba o inbox na me no discuss one or few things.
No
Because
problem.
of security reasons, I wouldn't like to talk much about some issues.
Okay.
But I did about say before Rona, I was trying to follow Ken, but my reversing me ability, my study and maybe only panel work party no as one of the big men supporter financial aid. I mean generously. I just say
Yes, yeah.
good. Now otumi ba out no be can say NDC for now almost sponsor no. At the time when na MPP were by more na NDC opposition, he was still doing that. It's doing like a character of him. It has to be eradicated absolutely because so trap party no ekopim time or the shemo. Then the time for voting is near. Most of Nipa Omotu Abano, they are easily to be convinced because Ken as a popular person, you know, Beckham Biano Omobefa. And it's a more BB here to tackle this issue. It has to be started from now. Thirdly, MPP and Penifono, it looks as if say they are a bit cold and some are cowards. Semo pampa onipa bako. Now o taking mu nerves. Now o the on position and na papa bi o ye party no. E sabotage mu a. Na fe party no so penasem no a. O bo anu na ani ehwe na e wo hin. Because say fish no fin so eba out ebe ka say crocodile na wu a. People will believe that. And the BB out getting to the end of voting time no. Our papa can nkofo no begina so. But say mu take decision be fit na. Until the time I be vote no, they will forget to cross na Ken or MPP.
Yeah.
And you know, I will see you back doors. Now,
Okay.
maybe I'll give you some points here. Ebe boa kakra.
Yo.
Ebe boa
That's
kakra.
it. Thank you so much, Uncle
I know
David.
what I'm talking about.
Right.
I will
just send me a message. I will respond. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
The voice in Pacha went through me so why.
Drew super unya lankash. Ain't here.
Also, I drew me so and I drew why.
They say Drew super unya lankash. Yango.
Me mo adem ya na abache.
Una we next after Mama Tina. Don't worry. After Mama Tina, una we next.
Yo, I was saying for me, Chia will be and send them in my life. She say,
Mama Tina, who watch it? 2 months, mamba.
Yeah. Adia Bakwa, say, say MPP for yantimi amma yanni anna what to say abowo ni yantimi anka nokre ankyere saa ba ma we ya na no akyea te se ne pemfo sabi okoto ba bi ohoro ne to no a kuo no begu na ebegu niti so nkuku a yedi ne 2024 nyina free Ken but yantimi anka nokre ampa mu anka ankyere ne se nkuku no a yedi ye no free Ken. Yes, ebi free ebi mfiri obi a o ni nyina African because king kwahye nkrofo bo send your mama nto maba womia na say odi nkuku a na 2028 no me mabe stand in ato aman ne nyame so ncha de omo anto na omo anto so anyiwu se president omo anyiwu se president na NDC for 2 1 ni bebe di wachi montoma no montoma kinyo edrut abato on so NDC for nto aba e wo MPP no mo you boy se ruba kwati the base no de wonsa hyase ne wapaja wonsa ba ko hyase ne ba ko so wapaja se wonka ho enti se ensemfu nko na opesa wo kan e kire nipa e ma nipa hu se MPP de agu kra na kuwa nipa ewo mu no eye moa ya omonwene no saa nipa no obepe omo adi so na wo ye de ade onye aboa panyini onye kwase panyini so wo pesa kuo no adi so de a hwe JFK this is a time so opese beto abarma na say omeye secretary o ntena so a this is a time o say Ken etimi control say to write or the say abronye off na say wutimi tiase okofwe abronye asoma abronye prison all corner abronye be pese be ne ko she prison ene ko ayi a be chi ni nyina no African wontimi amania ohu nyinara ni nyina African kensa ehyaase kensa hyase eniema ekoso nyinara ya MPP for omo chichibe nyina African because yes say aponchira ni frinsuo be ka cho se denchema wa yenyina chinje ni nyina African sa eniema ekoso nyina African ene de wohu ne bronsa no a eso ano no abeyi ne so wo be gina wo asem a wo kan ko obi ebone ni kire wo ka chese mo wo ni nkire me fi se ne wo kan eye nkwase asem nanka ba ma wo pe president ya di na wo do birthday hwe wa boje se enti bredi asa sanka wontimi nyi wa boje se no nadwene no abodam why frustrated because MPP for anto aba nyina as a fry barrier enti nsefo no person kan eduwa bi aya na doctor so medini ho ya kakra MPP for dedicate almost omopew na omo ato aba na ede amawo hwe Ken onima enyema Ken ewo ma enyema moma Ken on ni naja ko no bemfa be musuo enko na no aje ko ruko okuro ba so won say nka ye bo no kura a book in the pa ma ye hu say enti we ni kire say sa the base na o mate no sa the base no nyame obetwi o mu nyina ka mu ye nipa dodo sen the base no mu ye nipa dodo sen nipa no akende o mu be ko nyina no sa nkrofo no a ode o mu be ko no o mu nto aba ma MPP o mu nyina to aba ma NDC o mu to aba ma NDC enti onko na NDC fo nko to aba ma no onko enti se na na chine se wantimi anratic king of na yanyi king amfiri kuo nu ma kuo ni begu because nipa bebrebe ho a beso be gina pa no omo be pa aba because obidie wo mu a bentimi nkana sem who is Ken oyede nipa se ye ja no Ken dia no oye ya onya ni sika MPP ni ma ni nya sika oni ni koke a otonye wo metin hang be ka che sem betwi tazi woni mi kunu ba kure nga pe mi kunu ote oda so ti kure nga se onya akapre because of ankodwen politics tazi ni na ni chi ono otwi tazi ono kura ni chiro kaka nso wanya hwe wo be ka che se tazi no be kan kure nga odi nya ska how dare you mi krom brekum for okọ promise o mo se ma mo nto aba mo nto aba o bentoma NDC for almost to aba because o be bua o mo wo school fees o be bua be ma school fees o mo to aba wi en school fees wat na ho biem akọ twa school kontompo akọ twa kire o mo se wo de board ya ha ne be ye pad de ama o mo no board ya ha ne wo de be ye pad de ama wo ti bi wo hi setetefo na o mo wo board ya ha na so nti wo betin de board ya ha na akọ ye pad de ama o mo. Shame on you, Ken, nyankopone obehira na obetwia ka se ne unwumate se ne wahyehyɛ sɛ opese obegu NDC no MPP no ebe boti so ba bia wo bia medamase
That's Mama Tina. User 8, Bremamia.
I must say, I'm sorry, the voice. Me,
Yes.
my send me a titi. Obi a obe attack a flag bearer. We will come after the person.
Simple.
We will come after. There's no excuse. Sabi Jesus Christ, crowd fish bas as soon as be attack ba we will come after you
Jesus.
because ya bre. Aden ba umia no waye den. Ya kwa election we Lucy. You see yempel. Afi de eba ne sen. Eba ne sen. Into anyone who comes after Dr. Baumiano, we will come after the person with equal dose or even more. And yen people anka ken wo enfa. They be me wuska, me wo factories, me patch only me 3 factories, non train any workers in the buses a mukwe juma. Only me. So me, I don't support the argument saying pamono on party no. But when he talks or when he speaks, we will come after him. Masem no.
Hey, user 8. Who say you don't support, say, yeah, Pam of party anymore?
Daddy,
Do you have
me
an
bow.
idea how cancer works in health?
I understand. I understand. He has an agenda. Ne agenda ne
Na say
say
nipa no MPP mu na de bia opie bia o say mimi MPP ni enti asema meka no no pre no. How do you deal with that?
and
User
I
8.
make us say personally mo mani ntinemu obi eni wo be pamono obesora no pa atro letter say my resign if party no. I'm telling you this. We will come after him no matter
Obi o
what.
say on resign obetine mu abomo abro.
On today, but we will shut him down. We will
Yo.
shut him. We will expose him. So June, July, no, we will expose him big time.
Yo.
Whatever he says, whatever he brings out, we will bring double of what he brings. We will expose him.
Mate.
So it is a warning to him and his followers.
Mate. Yo. That's it.
Mate.
Nana one member also, but Oripon, 1 or 2 minutes reaction. Then I come to Nana one. Then Manuel also reaction. Then I go to AF Lazy B. Oripon, wow, overreactive. And I say, you are okay. If you are okay, I can move. All right, Nana one, kindly come in 5 minutes. Nana one, well, you 5 minutes.
The voice. The first time I made it, but we see why are
Oh,
they
okay.
report about so?
Thank you.
Me, fear Shimoda, but see me or US. First, let me get the Japan support of Anna, okay, can you declare? I'm saying, me, now, me, who will be on it. The MPP company phone may be on who are. So the one is called TNDC or TNDC or yeah, no more with me. MPP MPP and I mean the man who say party the co-position when she went to a kind of class out. If you have the year from left na get party yi MPP enya de MPP be gu ana say you be boy Mr. Ma e Japan no on the selfish interest who be for the Japan be for the Japan ye MPP na ma wa for the Japan me na me pena sem pa pressure you come and talk about no me too ma for the Japan by second one me really to mind and because I wa ya say MPP ni issue no party ni na say yen ni and then who's up omo e party eti mi sɛ JFK mu ɔmo bɔ mu n'esi fam na sɛ famu a yɛmpa mu no na ala nsemanti yɛpa mu nyi pati na bi nye nye resi mu MPP emu MPP ɛbɛ ba power ɛbɛ ba nye ne MPP na ba a ɔmo yɛ ade papa ɛma Ghana sɛ mahama tutu ɔtutu papa ase nturo odi bɛ bi ɛyi ɛna ɔmo obi ehu eti mi sɛ mu sɛ JFK ni ne nkɔfoɔ ɔmo bɔ mu n'esi fam mo biara mpa ne kyɛw sɛ mo kɔ fa ne kyɛw a bɛka sɛ han asɛ mi hu deɛ ɔno ɔbɛyɛ sɛ sɛ ɔwɔ power tie ɛti sɛ de wɛ eti MPP na anasɛ wɔyɛ dɛ wɔn bɔ MPP so aboa mo ɛnyɛ MPP anka wɔn nso wɔn ti deɛ wɔn ti ɛdɛ bɛ ni ehurihuri saa ohurihuri no yɛ mpa mu ni fim me sɔpɔtɔ ne paa ana mi yɛ kɛnɛ Japan mo o kan kɛnɛ Japan ho asɛm a wɔn ha so a deɛ mɛ ni o bɛyɛ no but deɛ ɔyɛ no wo de oyɛ me hu sɛ Dr. Bawumia na bɛboa yɛn ɔno na sɛ de wo ɛna Japan bɛyi yɛ mmaa deɛ mmaa ase wei yɛ ayi yɛ kyerɛ ayi tibi so yɛ mmaa ɛnɛ de wo bɛ bɛpɛ MPA bi no Mr. Ma mu yɛ mpa mu ni free party na party ni so kyɛn no MPP efikyiri obi a party ni so ewu ɛbɛyɛ yie yɛde nyame mpa bɔ party n'akyi party ni bɛyɛ yie yɛ mi wɔ US wa time bi ne ɛkɔto aba a mɛkɔ makɔkɔto ama MPP eti party ni nya de ebegu na eyi ehu na ɛwɔ emu sɛ bi a kene Japan no yampa mu na party NDC point about this and come up from mu ndadada because I see the Kasia said aboa wo fi no to wo na o chi aboa no ko to ba bi a obi atumi be fi obi eti na say ye ne pa mu ni fi one sport in this pro mo pa mu na wo kene dia ba ko Mr. Ma ti mu mu de pe mu ni mpani ko mu ye na mu no mu kasa na ye o mu tu ho na mo na ye hwe de ko to fi me da se na
Yo,
gwa ni wa dwuma mi si ni kasa
me da say, Nana one, me da say. Mano, 2 minutes reaction. Then na proceed. Mano, wait, react 2 minutes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you. Yeah,
Okay. So, the main mechanic said, I think that it's high time that the new patriotic party, you take a bold decision in some of these things, because if we leave this one to slide, Obi, Bebunubi or party anymore will do the same thing, and we will not have the balls to call that person to order. In fact, the Serena
mm.
demand paid for the say, as soon as possible, you say a stitch in nine saves nine. So as soon
Mm.
as possible, yama wa say ye, sa bisi ene, we should take action now. He has denigrated almost everybody in the party. We shouldn't tolerate this thing again. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Manuel, for that brilliant one. Okay, now let me come to. I think high pot 4 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, me na me ko.
We are sure. Did you come before
Yeah.
I go?
Yeah. Don't
Okay,
cancel man we na mato aso. Me
you.
we very brief. Very brief. Mestre, I'm said the voice are quite chile and you are one of the executives. Ade ba kwa mestre MPP mpanyifo ne say. Um this election I call you know, there is one particular thing I'm steady ya me be who say Ghanaians are to aba no. Sometimes it's a politicians do but omo de omo ani hwɛ nneɛma a ɛkɔ so wɔ ɔman nim, especially floating voters. Omo the time I win elections because as an NPP member, ɛde ɔbɛto na aba ɔbɛto. But floating voter ɔna n'adwene no different ohu baabi a ɔwɔ. Ɔno ɔde n'ani na ɛhwɛ deɛ ɔman ne kɔ no ato aba. So what we need now as a political party unity. It's yɛhwehwɛ nkabom no first. Sometimes between some commentary bi nim a yɛyɛ on social media na yɛtakra NDC for. Sometimes a trap and on set and we should let them go on. Not di like they should go on and do it. Now Baba expose you magazine but sometimes they correct it. Oh, I did do all normal yeah. For example, say recently normal day we be Baba Beto so send usika from your wallet to your account.
Yeah.
Trap there is an people before come and to normal implement here no. Then Ghanaians will know what is happening. And then people before they didn't know my idea no. So Santa idea be ba. And people for you any man the no na war. For Ghanaians to see, for no me too they should keep quiet. No muntu Ghanaians are watching and yen ye be catch mo. Yen ye be kan Ghanaians are watching. But the moment ye be de na dey be ba no mo de akosie. Ade bi ba no mo de akosie. But see ye jai ade no e na ade no wo ho saa. People will see. I feel so about Canada Japan same way. You enjoy the life of man. The more I am man attention no nya na adwe kika de ope. Canada Japan people know him and yan nan yenim the whole city. What I say? We all
Mm.
go as ya all day man. Yeah man attention now dabi you enjoy the life of man. We should concentrate on our party, build unity. They enjoy the base or say whatever. Alankashi then one year. I don't really over here. You enjoy the life, my Kennedy supporters do no. Supporters do any big Kennedy echi. In some kika de or the aqua so force or the aqua so the aqua so. You enjoy the life of man. The more I hear the Kennedy no. Now fi essay and we need unity more than Kennedy Japan. It from the grassroots to everywhere and penifo no montemu and go no they should calm down or settle on differences. Yeah, what family we should settle our differences. That is the basic thing we should do as a political party. It is not a time I say I feel a hospital, a young competing here, they care call those things that I'm why. Who needs this after a hospital and you didn't make in some bay? Say, yeah, uncle, people know what is happening. Ghanaians are watching. Yɛkɔ so bia Ghana fo bɛhu MPP for mu ka wo man ka wo emre no so ne yɛkɔto aba the Ghanaian will decide on who to vote for. Yɛ deɛ unity say they be your party members back. Yɛ uma bɛnya ɔdɔ de ama party no instead of say yɛ tumika ade MPP ni person wo no bɛhu. For example say university a yɛ see no akomadan. MPP ni ono person wo say yɛ university no bɛhu. It is a me ne NDC ni dinko bisa say kadeɛ ba ko MPP here I mean coming kasa because if you are a blind person na wo so hu ameka kora won yɛ den hu enya afira ma be church nsɛm di akyerɛ wo but when the time comes here kɔto aba niema wa yɛ no e de bedu ho dance here sometimes I'm telling you say ye mpani for rashe e could defend the ade bi na afi de ahye nipa bebre abufuo what I say
Yo.
you too many too much. Sometimes we should leave some situations and then war. Say they be manifest some Ghanaians are being. And you be and say you runs you over. You jive and busy for. Hey, now a good father to soon or day that mama is a man in Ghana for anger and can busy for Mecca. And then the Amai Ibrahim movies will be any home. They are watching. They are watching. Come here before Wadibi. Say this MPP in your demand and Kayanka. Ghanaians are watching. And you be doing one dance mama for a and the social media is everywhere and people are watching. But that's it.
That's a flexibility for that
Yeah.
one. Yeah, Hypot. Debbie Danny, Pacho drew so in Pacho. Hypot, Pacho bring my 4 minutes.
Yeah, boy, Chiaona, Chebushua Funya, Sama, Yakon, so I mean, say, Yakasa, if you did so, Achapada. Boys, Papa be a metrani fiena. What's one no I say a many ho da or just a nipa a many ho da. The young papa can as almost say a many year day any ho da. I believe our casa and uncle for boarding is on. Satam is fading away. Oh, fading away. And the dynamics and the thing is social media vibe na didn't ask some. O kwat na won 2 hours a day. Obi so take TikTok a reply. At first na I just obi so compare radio station bi. And I control news paper mu. And send a reply. It is say no I give you a while or can so who say enko ba bia enko it's not going. It's not going. And I sabi panyin so do ba bia o can be na yam from so I say utumi jitum. I see it as a disrespect on his part to the people of Ghana, not to MPP alone, but to Ghanaians as a whole. Because boys, why penny that? As a party, who be? What the position room? Defense committee, why a chairman? And this hospital is under the Ministry of Defense. You know that it's a military hospital. So definitely, you have an oversight responsibility of what is going on over there. You are aware, 100% aware. What side document in your day about any? So why do you come and say you didn't do anything? That means you didn't do anything. So why were you there in the first place? Assembly or what? Over for say o kama ya Ghana for ya, but now one not trying to do when you people will look at you to say this person we can't trust him. So and in someone like Kano, he is not someone that you can trust. You can't trust him. You can't trust him because and it's disrespect. Just say you have signed a document that shows where the project has reached and everything. Then you come to public and say they didn't do anything. Where were they? Were you not part of them? Oh, over there say what kind of crime? But obi trasia, ubo say ugu when you are disgracing yourself, and instead of apologizing, and then you go and because of arrogance, you see, all is because of money.